This is what's left of the Irvine Forum building this morning. Overnight, a major fire tore through the former community landmark here in North Ayrshire. Emergency services worked through the night to bring it under control. The worst is over, but as you can see, it's still smouldering. The fire was first reported late last night, with flames visible across town and smoke that could be seen for miles. Scottish Fire and Rescue arrived with multiple crews and aerial platforms to tackle it from above. Police Scotland closed off the surrounding area and advised residents to stay indoors and keep windows shut due to the heavy smoke. From up here you can see the full extent of the damage. The upper floors have taken the brunt of it. Windows blown out, structural damage and what looks like near total destruction inside. There's no visible flame now, but smoke is still rising from several points. The building's essentially gutted. Road closures are still in place and the site remains off limits while crews make it safe. You can see firefighters are still on scene, monitoring hotspots and making sure nothing reignites. It's going to be a long day for them. For those who don't know, the Irvine Forum was a civic building that's been part of the town for decades. It hosted offices, events, community gatherings. It was a proper local landmark. Seeing it like this is a genuine loss for Irvine. A lot of history just went up in smoke. The cause of the fire hasn't been confirmed yet. Investigations will follow once the site's been secured and it's safe to go in. For now, this is the aftermath. A building that stood for years, reduced to this in one night. I'll keep you updated as more information comes out. Emergency crews will remain on site throughout the day, ensuring there are no further flare-ups. Questions remain: how did this start and what happens to this site now? Those answers will come in time. When daylight breaks, the full scale of the damage will become clearer. For now, this is what we're seeing in the aftermath. I'll bring you updates as we get them.